What's up, everybody? Today I'll be doing another video for you guys. I'll be showing you how I mix my natural shea butter for my natural hair. Now, I use this in my natural hair because from ever since I went natural, transition from the process to the natural hair, I've been using this in my hair and I have seen drastic changes. And when I say drastic changes, I mean positive changes with my natural hair. My hair became much softer, it grew, and it was just beautiful, luscious and beautiful. So I've been using this mixture ever since I became natural in 2014. All right, so what I use, this is the one that I got this time. I normally buy the unrefined shea butter, but somehow the stores are out. I don't know what's going on there, so I'm going to be using this one. It works just the same. This is what I got the last time and it worked perfectly. So I'm going to be removing the mixture from this bowl into this one. This is the one that I bought previously. And I want to get everything out. This in its state right here is good, but it still doesn't have all the benefits that I would want. So adding all of these ingredients to the shea butter gives added moisture and all of those nice things to the hair. This looks like I need something bigger. I need something bigger to mix this in. Alright, I'm going to get something bigger to mix it in. Soon come. Okay, I am back. So I went ahead and put all the mixture into this bowl right here. Alright, so emptied everything from here and everything that was in here into this hair. Alright, so now I'm just going to rub this in my hair. Yeah, it's good, good something. Yeah. All right. Now I am going to be putting in some Jamaican black castor oil. As we know, the Jamaican black castor oil is good because it thickens the hair, it aids in hair growth, and all of those lovely things. When hair is falling out, it is good for regrowth. I mean, Jamaican black castor oil is just good. Alright, so I am going to be putting in some essential oils, and I'm using the oils that are very beneficial to the hair and skin. So I'm using some peppermint oil, as we know that the peppermint is good for hair growth, and I'm just going to be adding in 10 drops. 2 went already. 3. What's going on here? Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. And then I'm going to be adding in 10 drops of lavender oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm also going to be putting in a few drops of orange oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just putting in 5 drops of the orange oil. Now, if you have any other oil, it is good to use them. Normally I would use some olive oil along with some, what's the name of that oil again? Sweet almond oil or natural almond oil, normal one. Yeah, so it's either the sweet almond oil or the normal almond oil without the sweetness. So I would normally use those in it, but I'm out of those. But I am rebuying, so whenever they get here, I am just going to add them into my mixture, into this, and just give it a remix. Yeah. I'm going to be putting in some coconut oil also because the time is very cold. It has gotten hard, so using my spoon to get out some. So this is the amount. Now, when you mix all of this together, it will prevent you from adding in oil one after the other because everything is one place. This mixture is good, is excellent rather for the hair, and it is excellent for your skin. It's good if you have eczema. It's really good because my kids have eczema and I use this on their skin and it works perfectly. Especially if it's the drying, flaky type. This is really good because in those cases, the skin needs oil. Alright, so I'm just mixing this properly. Now, you could also melt the oil to throw it in because it makes the mixture even easier. But I wanted to go ahead and show you that it can also be done without melting the oil. Alright? And when I use the unrefined shea butter, I use my mix, my cake mixture, my cake mix. That's the name of it, right? Yeah, the electric mixer to mix my ingredients together. But because this is the creamy shea butter, I don't need to use my electric mixer for that. I can just use my spoon and I get it perfectly just the same. Get it perfect. So you see what it looks like? Creamy and nice. No electric mixer needed. This is just good. Now, when you use this mixture in your natural hair, ladies, gentlemen, gentle people, I tell you, you don't need no other oil. This good enough. Yeah? Excellent. This oil is excellent. Yeah. Very, very good for the hair. And guess what? This is something that lasts you a very, very long time. It lasts. When I tell you this one, I bought this, I'm not lying, and I'm not exaggerating either. I bought this, I believe, a year and a half ago, and it just finished the other day. Yeah, just finished the other day, and I am using this on skin and in hair. Not just my hair, but the hair of my kids. I use it in my kids' hair, and I use it in my hair, and I use it on my kids' skin. For me, I don't use it on my skin because I use it like on my hands and feet, but not on my face, because I have oily skin and it makes my face extra oily. So I use it on my hands and feet. This is also good for stretch mark. Very good for stretch mark. So I use it. I don't know, me a woman will have children, have a little bit of stretch mark. So I use it on that area also. And it's very, very good. Yeah? No need to be afraid of using this on the scalp either. It is excellent for the hair scalp. Just to see. One thing about this, the oil in it is so lasting. Whenever I put this in my hair, if I'm out and my hands get dried, I just rub my hands in my hair and I get all that oil from my hair and just rub my hands together, and girl, my hands are moisturized and they're gone clear again. Yeah, this is good, man. This is very, very good. I am getting out everything, nothing now waste, nothing now dash with. Everything, like when you mix up cake and you use the fingers and you take out that mixture, whether to lick it off or to put it in the pot. Yeah, taking out everything. Just make sure your hands are clean and you're good to go. You could also use a spatula for this. A spatula would work even better. I wasn't thinking of that. If I thought of it before, I would have used it instead of my fingers. But nothing wrong. After that, I just rub my fingers in my hair. Yeah. Get all that oil in my hair. It's natural oil, so ain't nothing wrong. Then you're going to just put this down and it's set right back in place. Go right back in place. You're not going to put it in the fridge. You're just going to put it down in room temperature. Alright? So this, just rub up that in your hair. People, make sure you try this. Try it and let me know. Let me know what you think about this. Okay? Let me know what you think. And tell me if it don't work for you. Alright, so I'm just smoothing this back out now. Have it good to go. Just like when you bought it. Now, there it is. Nice and creamy and ready to be used. Now people, don't forget to like this video. When you like the video, it helps YouTube to recognize my videos. Okay, so guys, please don't just watch and leave it like that. Watch and like it and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this and let me know if you will try it, and if you have tried it, how it worked for you. Alright? And if you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Yeah, I would really appreciate it. So guys, yeah, we have come to the end of another video. And here we have it, our natural shea butter mixture, good and ready to go. Yeah, man. All right. Have a blessed day, everybody. Remember, like, share with everybody, your friends, your family, all the words. All right. Have a blessed day. Peace.